Hello everyone, welcome to the very first crypto related video that we have here in our channel Digitalpreneur World, where we teach you guys how to make money online, how to find side hustle gigs online, but also where we're going to start teaching you guys about crypto, the cryptocurrency world, and all of the amazing opportunities that it holds for all of us. There's a space for all of us in this new world. So we are excited to start sharing this information with you guys. If you are excited as well, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and also in the like one, so we can get going and sharing more content with more people. Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about Oasis Foundation and their token Rose. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about what is Oasis Foundation, how did it get started, what is their main, their core principles, and what are they about. So Oasis Foundation was founded about a year ago by a professor. Actually, she is a Berkeley, California professor. Her name is Dawn Song, and she is the CEO and founder of Oasis Labs. And this woman is amazing. And first of all, a huge shout out to all of the women entrepreneurs out there that are set to change the world and to bring awareness and to bring awesome things to this technology world. So here we have the Dawn in their main Oasis Labs web page, and here we have just a short story, about her. She has been a professor in the California Berkeley University for a while, and she has been doing a bunch of research, and also she has been one of the pioneers in blockchains, smart contracts, machine learning, cryptography, and all of these that nowadays it's becoming just our new normal. Okay, so this is done, and the whole idea about the new blockchain that they started with Oasis, it is that the difference between this blockchain and other blockchains is that unlike let's say Bitcoin or Binance or Smart Chain, whichever other one, for Oasis, what they want to do is they want to have privacy. So instead of having the records public for everybody to see the contracts, what Oasis is doing is that they're making this private, so it is definitely more difficult to trace transactions inside of the blockchain and to actually know who owns what and what transactions have been done. So this is very important, and she is very focused in in protecting data, not only for individuals but also for companies. Here we have in one of my favorite pages, Cointelegraph, and in Cointelegraph they have a top 100 people. Dawn is actually number 35. And I love this quote. She says, "I strongly believe that building a responsible data economy is critical for our society, and this requires a community effort." This was said in one of her speeches. I don't remember which university. I'm going to leave the link around. And then, so basically, she has been working really hard to integrate the new technologies, the blockchain, cryptocurrency, but also protecting the data and making it more private. So it is really cool. Now, let's go into Oasis Labs Twitter page. And here, the huge thing, you guys, that happened recently is that Oasis Labs announced publicly that they have a new working relationship, partnership with Meta AI, formerly known as Facebook. We all know Facebook changed their name to Meta, and now they have a partnership with Oasis Labs. And this is huge, you guys. This is really huge, because now we are going to see that the exponential growth that Meta is going to have in the metaverse, and let's say not only in gaming but more in the social digital experience that Meta wants to create, that is creating with Horizons, Home Horizons, and with all of the things that they are actually working right now. This is going to be huge, you guys. So let's go back to our coin market cap, and let's take a look at how is it behaving. So we have seen that in the past, probably since they announced their partnership, it has gone up quite a bit, and we see that it is very, let's say, stable in its growth. But let's just remember that for right now, only 35% of all of the coins that are going to be available are in the market. So they are slowly releasing all of the tokens because they don't want to release everything at once. So I believe they just released 15% more, and that's going to be it for some months. Okay, now. I am not giving financial advising here, you guys, as I love doing research, and I love researching about all of these topics and getting to know the projects that I'm investing on. I recommend that you guys do the same. If there is a project, if you guys think that there is future in Rose and in Oasis Network, I recommend that the best thing that you can do is go out there, do your research, really look into the project and what it has to offer before you actually invest. And now, talking about that, let's take a look at Oasis Ecosystem. And then here we can see all of the partners they have. They have huge names as partners, and let's also remember that they are in Binance, so you can actually go and purchase yourself some Rose through Binance, which is great. As we all know, not all of small tokens or tokens that are starting out hit Binance right away. They have BMW Group from Europe, and then they have just a bunch of other huge names, which is really good for us. And we see, if you guys scroll down this page, you're going to see a huge list of all of their partners, including university programs. And this is very important because as we speak, this new technology, this Web 3.0 is still developing, and the blockchain, it has so much potential to grow that it is just beyond our understanding. So it is very important, their partnership they have with different universities around the world, to continue exploring and to continue developing this technology. Okay guys, so that is it for this quick video where we learned about Oasis Network, what they're about, what the project is, and I definitely believe that there is so much more that I didn't cover in this video. There is so much more to this project and to what they are going to develop with this secure and private blockchain that is definitely, is definitely worth it taking a look at. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will continue putting up more videos regarding crypto because I am passionate about it and I do see the potential for the future. So until the next time guys, so long.